Nappy fans. Irashaimase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nappy Cat with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. We're so glad that you can join us today. Yes, and somebody keeps having to readjust the wardrobe. Oh, look at this. Cute little wings. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very precious kitty whose name is Panzer. We can move that off of you, huh? He says, I'm having a catitude because that hat was in the way. Panzer was a precious little stray who had shown up at a base in Afghanistan. She was literally a stray little kitten, and she was starving and hungry. She was a lovely brown tabby cat. She ended up making friends with one of the soldiers there named Dr. Pegahi. Well, it is a challenge to do that, even so, because making friends with a stray on the military base is really considered illegal. They get worried about diseases, they get worried about problems that could happen there, and he decided to reach out anyway, and he made friends, as did other soldiers. Well, Panzer was one of a litter of 8 stray kittens who had ninja'd their way onto the base. 6 of the 8 passed away during a very, very cold Afghanistan winter that lasted for several months, as winters do. Well, Dr. Pegahi and her husband did not want to have to leave Panzer behind when their assignment ended. So they ended up working with a wonderful organization called Nowzat that's the only Afghanistan stray shelter located in Kabul, Afghanistan. They had to quarantine the kitty, they had to vaccinate the kitty with the full series of shots, and had to arrange for transportation, which is not an easy thing when a country is in the middle of a war. Well, they ended up being able to do so. She literally was transported to Dubai by means of being in a cargo hold on an airplane. But she made it, and now she lives in Rhode Island with her precious family. Yes, she's known for sitting on their ottoman and soaking in the sun. Yes, that's a lot better fate and a lot better life for a little kitty than being a stray and being out there in the cold, not knowing where food is, not knowing where shelter is. And I want to just take the moment to thank the workers from Nowzat for caring about kitties and for taking that step of establishing a shelter there so that the kitties and the doggies that are in Afghanistan can have hope, especially those stray ones. Well, thank you all so very much for watching this video today. There's a cute kitty who's sleeping, and he enjoys these stories too. I'm just glad that he's here safe with his mommy. Thank you all so very much. If you like the content of our videos, don't forget to click those paws and paw the like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw that notification bell, and you'll be notified so that you can see all loving Epic Cats videos. Well, thank you all so very much. Oh, you'll be right, sis. And we look forward to seeing all of you in the next video.